So today's vlog is about this product, Ranch Garden Statue and Stone Cleaner. Straight away, you can see that happening, it's having an effect, it's bubbling, that means it's lifting some of the dirt. So we're just going to leave it for a few minutes, and then if you start rubbing over it, it will immediately start getting all this grime off, and you can see the colour. You can see where we started. It's full of green, it's full of muck, it's full of stuck on scale. All we did, sprayed the surface, used a hard abrasive brush just to give it a rub over, get rid of some of the moss. We left it for 5 minutes or so, and then we rinsed it with water. It really is that simple.